Alright, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving headfirst into a challenge I've been both dreading and anticipating, the 5 a.m. experiment. For one entire week, I'm attempting to wake up at 5 a.m. every single day. The goal? To see if this early bird routine actually boosts productivity and mental clarity. Or if it's just another fleeting internet trend. So, let's rewind to day 1. The alarm blares at, you guessed it, 5 a.m. The struggle is real, folks. The snooze button is a tempting siren song, but I manage to resist. First hurdle clear. I stumble out of bed and the first thing I do is hydrate. A big glass of water is essential to shake off that morning grogginess. Then, I make my way to my reading nook. I've always wanted to read more, and the quiet of the early morning seemed like the perfect opportunity. I dedicate the first hour to reading, which helps me to center myself for the day ahead. Next up, exercise. I'm not talking about a grueling workout here. Just some light stretching and maybe a quick yoga routine to get the blood flowing. Nothing too intense, because let's be honest, 5 a.m. is still pretty early. Even the easiest exercise helps you to feel more awake and energized. Then comes planning. I sit down with my planner and outline my goals for the day. This is the crucial part, the part that separates this experiment from just waking up early and aimlessly wandering around. Having a clear plan helps me feel organized and in control, not overwhelmed. Throughout the week, the process repeats. Some mornings are easier than others. Some days, I feel a surge of energy, while others are a slow, sluggish trudge. There's a definite learning curve involved, and I begin to understand that my morning routine sets the tone for the entire day. I adjust things, try different activities and figure out what works best. So, after a week of this 5 a.m. lifestyle, what's the verdict? The most immediate impact is on my focus. The quiet morning hours without distractions are a game changer. I found that I can concentrate better on tasks and get more done in less time. I also noticed a significant improvement in my mental clarity. I feel less stressed and more in control of my day. Waking up earlier gives me a head start, mentally preparing me for the challenges ahead. Now, is the 5 a.m. experiment something I'm going to continue? Honestly, probably not every single day. It's a significant commitment, and it requires a change of lifestyle that takes some adjusting to. But, I will definitely be incorporating earlier wake-up times and elements of the morning routine into my schedule. So, the answer is a qualified yes. This experiment was definitely worth it. I highly recommend trying it. Thank you for watching.